Hello, friends, and welcome. We have another personal reader for you today. This is called Rags. Rags. So get your finger pointers. I'm going to read it one time, and then we'll go through and we will find sight words we know, words that we can blend, and maybe places that we need to add pictures so we can remember what the word is. Okay, so here we go. Rags. I have a dog. Her name is Rags. She eats so much her tummy sags. See her tail, it wigs and wags. And when she walks, she goes zigzag. She will play with you. That is true. Such a cute story. Okay, so let's go through and let's find sight words that we've practiced so far. There are some other ones in here, but I know there's some that we've really practiced. So how about I and A? How about she? C. C, I'm not sure we practiced, but we definitely know C. And another and when she, another she. Okay, and here's a tricky one. I'm going to highlight the first part of go because it tells me what word this is. This is goes. She play you. And then down here, that's I. Okay, so now let's go through and let's find words that we can blend. For instance, rags. I know I can blend rags or rags. I'm looking, here's rags again. And you know what? I'm looking at the end of this word and it looks like it rhymes with rags. So I think I can just change the first sound. So ags, sags. And how about, here we go. Again, ags. Just change the first sound and it's wags. And I want you to look right here at the end of this word. Oh my, I think I can blend that too. Zag. So now I have some other ones that I can probably blend. For instance, dog. Dog. How about, it's a sight word, but I can blend it. Is. How about this one? It. It. It's a sight word, but I can blend it too. And let's see, how about, oh, wigs. And I see the first part of zig, zag. And then this one, I'm guessing that at LL, we don't go oh, la, 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 la. We just say oh. So I think I can blend this word. Oh, will. And then we did this one before. Good. So let's go back and read it and let's see if we have some words that we can maybe make pictures for so it gives us clues. First of all, I know this word. I know that word because we have to write our name on our paper all the time. So name, I know that's name. And I'm not sure about this one, so I'm going to have to practice this one. But this one, I was thinking I could draw a bone above it because dogs eat bones. I'm not sure about so much. I might just have to practice those. Her tummy. Let's see. What can I do for tummy? Here's my friend. And there's his tummy. Okay. And then her tail. I'm going to draw a tail. And then I'm going to draw this on here. So it looks like it's wagging. And I think that can really help me figure things out. So now I'm going to read it again. Here we go. Rags. I have a dog. Her name is Rags. She eats so much, her tummy sags. I see her tail. It wigs and wags, and when she walks, she goes zigzag. She will play with you. That is true. Oh, there's my exclamation mark. I better say that a little bit more excited. That is true. And you know what? I get my favorite color, and I get to draw in a happy face. And then I'm going to read it again. Let's see. I'm going to read it in a deep voice. Here we go. Rags. I have a dog. Her name is Rags. She eats so much. Her tummy sags. See her tail. It wigs and wags. And when she walks, she goes zigzag. She will play with you. That is true. And I get to happy face again. So exciting. All right, friends. Now your turn. You get to practice this and see how many times you can read this poem. And remember, every time you read, you can change your voice. You could do it differently. But remember, when we reread and reread and reread, it helps us with our reading fluency. Have a good day.